codling moth is a major pest for Australian apple growers. In a bad season, it can wipe out 50 to 90% of the fruit. So as part of our pilot program, we're releasing over 3,000 sterile codling moths per hectare. And the idea is that the wild female moths will mate with the sterile male moths, and we don't get any progeny produced. So by the end of the season, the population of wild moths should be considerably reduced. So we were importing our sterile codling moth for this project from Canada. They rear the moths and then they sterilise them by irradiating them with gamma rays, which are fairly similar to X-rays. While they can mate, they don't produce viable eggs and obviously then don't produce any progeny. So what happens in the long run is that it crashes the population. So we've got pheromone traps in the orchard that we check weekly, and we're looking at both the numbers of sterile moths and the number of wild moths on the traps. We're doing fruit assessments at regular intervals for looking at how much codling moth damage that we have in the orchard. And we're also putting down traps for larvae. So we put cardboard bands around the trunks of the trees. So in Canada, they're actually using this program successfully, and they have been since the mid-1990s. And they've managed to reduce their wild populations by over 90%. And as part of that, they've also reduced their chemical use by over 96%, which is a win-win situation for both the growers and the environment. So it's a pretty good outcome all round.